Hey guys, today I'll be tying the Squirmy Worm fly, and I'm starting off here with a pink bead from Togens and red UTC 70. I'm going to lay down an even thread base right behind the hook eye, and then wrap up to about the midpoint on the hook, and you guys will see why here in a second. Gonna snip that excess off, and then bring the bead up to the midpoint of the hook, and do some wraps around that to secure it there. After I judge that that bead isn't going anywhere, I'm going to wrap to the back of the hook now, and that is where I'm going to tie in my Squirmy Worm material, also from Togens, in the color red. This stuff can kind of be tricky to tie in, so I'm going to do a pinch wrap and hold it there securely against my hook while I take a couple tight wraps around it so it stays in place there. Next, I'm just going to bring both of those back and hold them back there, and I'm going to come in here with some dubbing, some prism dubbing in the color Fire Orange from Togens, and just do a little bit. Don't need a whole lot for these bodies. I'm going to come in here and trim up some of those stray fibers and kind of just give it a neater look. Once I have that done, I'm going to bring the Squirmy Worm material up, and I'm going to tie in right behind the bead and do a couple of tight wraps and cinch it down behind there. Next, I'm going to bring my thread forward and tie in the Squirmy Worm material right in front of the bead. Now finally, I'm going to come in here with a little bit more dubbing for the front, and I'm just going to pull that material out of the way so I can get my dubbing on there. Now just like before, I'm going to come in here and snip those stray fibers again, just to keep it with that same neat look. Then for the last step, I'm going to tie in the Squirmy Worm material a third time right behind the hook eye there. And to finish it off, I'm going to use a nail knot tool and do a couple of those right in front of the hook eye. Now, since I couldn't tie in the front to be an exact length, I'm going to have to come in here and cut it. And you can kind of see that it makes a really sharp edge. So what I like to do is I burn a little bit off, and it kind of just melts onto itself and rounds out the tip. And that is the Squirmy Worm. Thank you guys for watching.